Up2Speed started in 2003. I was a pressman. I started as a helper, then a lead pressman for, I want to say, good 20 years. And from there on, I met my wife and we ventured into the garage of the house with an AV Dick, a hand cranked cutter, and tabletop folder. And here we are. We ventured to different warehouses. We started growing the business. In 2014, I had an idea. I always had a passion for packaging. And I said to my wife, packaging is the future. Everything and anything comes in a box. And I said to her, we should buy a folder gluer so that we can start producing our own packaging in-house, die cutting it and folding it and gluing it. We decided to buy a 26-inch Komori. It was a 1996 Komori. And from there on, we bought a 40-inch press, moved up to where we are right now with the 40-inch Komori that we just recently purchased. So our primary customers are in the food industry, the beverage industry, pharmaceutical, and cosmetics. So we are also G7 certified, FSC certified, and SCD certified, which a lot of our customers required for their product. Komori has been great with us. It's been the equipment basically behind the company to make us grow the way we are. With all the features that we have on it, production has gone up a good 80%. When make-readies used to last an hour before on a 6-color job, now it's 20 minutes. The substantial saving in waste make-ready sheets is tremendous. Anywhere from, we used to make ready with 800, 900 sheets before. Now we're down to 150, 200 sheets. The PQA on the Komori, it's been a tremendous asset for us. Not only does it help out with the color, but it spot checks any defect on the jobs. It just controls the machine from beginning to the end. Along with the numbering that we have on the feeder, which it numbers every sheet sequentially. If the PQA picks up any defect, it'll automatically tell you from what sheet to one number sheet to the other number sheet that we have the defect on. And we just pull the sheets out and give our customers zero defect product. LED UV inks for us have been challenging. For one, we did not have an idea. We knew regular UV inks, but LED UV, we didn't know much about it. We learned the curve of it. The way that it helps us out tremendous has been in the drying time. We can get those jobs from the press to the die cutter to the folder gluer or to the folder to the cutter. Just a minute that it comes out of the press, job is ready to do the finishing on it. So LED inks for us has been a tremendous help, tremendous help on our turnaround time. When we signed the contract with Komori and we agreed to all the terms, from the minute we signed the contract, their staff was hands-on automatically. All of the team was super professional. They met all the deadlines that they had planned with the dates, from the riggers to the mechanics to the demo. I wish I had those features 20 years ago when I was running presses. It would have made my life a lot easier. I would have been a much better pressman. So the message that we want to send to our customers and to the customers out there, Up2Speed is not just ink on paper. We are a family-owned business, and every time any customer picks up the phone, he's going to get an answer right away, either from our staff or from me, the owner, or my wife, which is also the owner. We always try and help out the customer, answer the customer the questions that they need right away, not the day after or an hour after, within minutes. I have a vision for this company in the next 5 years to have control of pretty much all of the necessities of the customer. Not only die cutting and folding and gluing, but also we are expanding to foil stamping. We're expanding our way of doing lamination, sheet laminating. We're thinking of sheet mounting on boxes, on corrugated boxes. We have an interesting future ahead of the company.